For our very first episode of the Scan Report in 2026, we look at predictions and forecasts for the housing market in the year ahead. Let's get into it. I think it's safe to say that 2025 was a little bit of a slow year in real estate, especially here in Sussex County, dominated with headlines of interest rates, inflation, and the concern over tariffs. 2026 is shaping up to be a little bit of a better year, but what do the pundits of the real estate industry have to say? I have gathered together 3 predictions and forecasts for us to review, beginning with Lawrence Yun, the chief economist at NAR. He had to say, "We are seeing a little better condition for more home sales with more inventory and the lock-in effect steadily disappearing because life-changing events are making more people list their property to move on to their next home. 2026 should be a better year with lower mortgage rates, and that will qualify more buyers. We are expecting home sales to increase by about 14% nationwide in the year ahead." Lisa Sturtevant, chief economist at Bright MLS, had a little bit of a different take after seeing the results of a 3,000-person survey that seemed to suggest that the economy is going to have a much greater bearing on what the housing market does in 2026. She said, "Pent-up demand, falling mortgage rates, and more inventory are likely to spur home buying activity in 2026. However, while more sales are likely in the year ahead, economic uncertainty will be a significant headwind to housing market activity." And finally, the predictions would not be complete without some kind of insight onto mortgage rates. Ted Rossman, senior analyst at Bankrate.com, said, "I expect the average 30-year fixed rate to fall below 6% for the first time since the summer of 2022. It could go as low as 5.5% given anticipated Fed rate cuts and a recession scare. The average 30-year fixed rate mortgage should bounce around 6%, sometimes a little lower, sometimes a little higher throughout much of 2026. So there you have it, a couple different vantage points for predictions and forecasts at the national level in 2026. We at the Nitan Soni Group will continue to monitor what's happening right here in Sussex County, bringing you accurate and reliable information so that you can make informed decisions about what's best for you and your family. Until next month, this is your Coach of the Coast, signing off.